At 6:30 a.m., Jeannie told Margaret that she found Blessy 15 and 1/4 hours ago. At what time Jeannie found Blessy? So, ang gagawin natin dito, simpleng subtraction lang. So, at 6:30 a.m., subtract lang natin yung 15 and 1/4 hours ago. So, convert lang muna natin yung 1/4 hour. So, 1/4 hour, so that convert in minutes. So, therefore, that is 1/4 hour. Convert lang natin, multiply natin. So, conversion 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, therefore, cancel hour. So, we have 1 times 60. We have 60 divided by 4. That is equal to 15 minutes. So therefore, isasubtract lang natin yan sa 6:30 a.m. But since we have 15 and then 15 minutes and then we have 6:30 a.m., yung 6:30 a.m., ang gagawin natin, mag-plus tayo ng 12 hours para maging eksakto yung sagot natin. So itong 6:30 plus 12 hours, magiging itong 18 and the 18 hours 30 minutes. So subtract lang natin. So therefore, we have 18 minus 15, that is 3, and then 30 minutes minus 15, that is equal to 15. So therefore, the correct answer is 3:15 p.m. which is letter E. Or gawin natin pabaligtad, 3:15, mag-add tayo dyan ng 15 hours and 15 minutes. So babalik tayo dito sa 18:30 or which is equivalent to 6:30 a.m. Follow for more.